Hi guys, welcome back. Now today I'm going to give you a sort of tutorial about microservices application. Now for those who have learned about microservices, which is also known as the microservice architecture, which is the architecture style that structures the application, an application as a collection of services that are highly maintainable and testable, loosely coupled, independently deployable, organized around business capabilities, and owned by small teams. Now, did you know that microservice architecture enables rapid, frequent, and reliable delivery of large, complex applications? And it also enables you the organization to evolve its technology stack. So you might think about developing multiple services by utilizing different programming languages. Yeah. Now to understand more about microservices, I'm going to show you a very simple sample application. Yeah, which is known as the Stanz Robot Shop. Yeah. Now, Stanz Robot Shop is a sample microservice application you can use as a sandbox to test and learn containerized application orchestration and monitoring techniques. Yeah, it's a bit hard to pronounce this, but anyway, so it's not intended to be a comprehensive reference example of how to write microservice application, but you'll better understand some of those concepts by playing with the Stance robot shop. Now, did you know that this microservice application has been built by using several technologies like Node.js, Java, Python, Golang, PHP, MongoDB, Redis, MySQL, RabbitMQ, Nginx, and AngularJS. Yeah. So first thing first is you need to build from the source. Yeah, you have the option to build from the source. Yeah. Of course you can actually copy the what do you call this GitHub source. So what you can do is you can copy this one, and I'm running Ubuntu version 14. So what I'm going to do is I'll just use the sudo git clone, and I paste this one. Yeah, it's already exists, so I don't have to repeat this. So once you're done with this, so just go to robot shop. Okay, so provided that you have already downloaded, I've seen this already exists information, so I don't have to repeat the download. Next is you might need to build the from source, so you can use this docker compose build. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just type sudo build. Okay. Yeah, it's fast because I have already built this earlier. It's gonna take a while in your machine. Then if you modify the environment file and change the image registry, you need to push the image to that registry. So you can use this optionally. You can use docker compose, and then you can run the image locally. Yeah, so by typing docker compose pull, just type sudo, then this one. So as you can see that we have several Docker images like MongoDB, Redis, RabbitMQ, and so on and so forth. Then, yeah, to start your Stance Robot Shop, you just type Docker Compose app. Paste this. Don't forget to type sudo. Yeah, so it will start several services that made up the application. So we got like Robot MongoDB, MySQL, Redis, RabbitMQ, Payment, Dispatch, and so on and so forth. Okay. All right, so you can just double click the screen here to know have a full size screen. Yeah, it's already started. So next, once the services started, then you have the option, by the way, you have the option to run Docker Compose with your Compose file. Yep. And then once done, you can just, use your localhost port 8080. Yeah. So to access the store, you use this HTTP port 8080. So fire up this browser, Firefox, and type localhost or copy paste this one, and you'll get this Stanz RoboShop. Okay. All right. So uh, now to monitor the activities on this robot shop, you could actually use the uh, the agent. Yeah, so I'm using the Instana agent. So once you're done with the installation and started the Stanz robot shop, then the next thing to do is to install the agent for monitoring the logs. Yeah, so you can actually do the monitoring with Instana, yeah, which is actually requires you to install the agent. So all you have to do is just copy this, and it'll allow you to install the agent. Yeah, let's try this. Sudo docker run. Yeah, I think I've already used this container, so I don't need to do anything. So you just need to check the status of the container and just type docker stats. Oh, sorry. Supposed to be sudo. Yeah, all services are running. And what else? Yeah, check if our Instana agent is also running. Let me see. Uh, so it looks like Instana agent is already running. So let's look at the instances for the images. Sudo docker. Yeah, we got the Instana agent installed. Yeah, I think it's already running. Then you can use the sudo docker just to check. So I'm going to use the um, start. Yeah, so sudo docker. Let's see. Yeah, of course you can actually delete this if you want. Yeah. So conflict with the container name. We have the Instana agent installed. Uh, yeah, let's just try docker run. Help. let's just check again. Let's repeat. Yeah, this is the command. So sudo docker start. Oh, sorry. Supposed to be. Let's just try again. Yeah, you can actually try to delete this if you want. Okay, so let's just type sudo docker rm. Yeah, reinstall. It should be okay. Yeah. Then close this and see Instana agent is running. Yeah. Now, once you have installed Instana agent, then you can, of course, try to monitor by going into the Instana. So I'll go to Instana. I've already saved the link. Or of course you can go to Instana IO. Yeah. So this is actually the Instana, and you can just go to Instana. Yeah, I've got this preparing instance agent deployed. Yeah. So you just follow the step. Yeah. If of course you will need to have the account to in order to monitor with the Instana agent. Yeah. So if you do not have any account, you can just go to the Instana and create your username and password. I mean, your register your own. Yeah. And for the purpose of the demonstration, I've already created the RoboShop website. Yeah, you can just follow the step by step, and you can look at the services running. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Instana, what do you call this, dashboard that will allow you to monitor the dependencies, services, error messages, yeah, log messages, infrastructure, and so on. Okay, now let's try to do something with our Instana. Yeah, so for example, I will use this artificial intelligence. Then I select the how, and I just put like, okay, I want to order one, and then I will also go to robot and select C3PO, add, and go to the chart, and then perhaps you can just try to create an error by typing -1, for example. Select country, can be anything, and calculate. Okay, done. Now let's look at if there's any error created. Yeah, you can refresh this. Yeah. Okay, and then error message or maybe log dependencies, nothing. Okay. Make sure Instana agent is running. Yeah. And you can actually do more exploration with Instana. So for example, you can just go to the RoboShop website and look at any error, maybe custom speed resources, HTML resources. Yeah, nothing much here. No monitoring data is available. Looks like Instana agent is not really running correctly. Okay, let me go to instana.com just to make sure. Yeah, so normally you will need to create an account. You can also deploy agent from the link there. Yeah, so let's look at the, yeah, let me just try this one just to make sure that our agent is running. Yes. Let me close this one. Yeah, you can also install the agent from the website and copy the bash, what do you call this, script. Let's check. It's still installing. Now, beside Instana, you can also use the Datadog. Yeah, and to install Datadog, you just need to go to datadog.com. It will give you some information about how to install the agent on Ubuntu. Just search Datadog space installing Datadog agent. So you just follow this new installation. Just need to copy this. And you can open a new terminal. So beside Instana, you can also use Datadog to do logging and monitoring. I mean, to monitor this microservices application. Okay, it says that, yeah, I need to run apt get update, sudo apt get update. So while waiting, let's just go to this website, Instana. Let me just sign up and re-log in. I forgot. Let me see if I can still log in to this one. Hmm. Let me see if I can reset my password. Okay, so I did fix the problem with the Instana agent. So to make sure that your Instana agent is running, you can just go to this one, more, and then select agents, and see if your agent is reporting. So we got one total agent, one is reporting, and we need to make sure that the runtime, yeah, uh, instant agent on Ubuntu DST is running. See, we got three issues. It says that process is not monitored, so just let's try to um, refresh this. Go to Instana. Yeah, we got three issues reported, process not monitored. Okay, so it's in case you want to install Instana agent, you can just click on the installing Instana agent here, and you can just go to Linux and then copy this and paste this. So yeah, you can just type or press shift insert, install, yes. It's gonna take a while. So agent has been installed. So next is to check status of the agent by typing service Instana start. So it says that we need root privileges. So sudo, and you can check the status as well. Yeah, so it's running. Now let's check our agent. Go to more agent. Says the issues is showing us something. Yeah, just click on the Ubuntu agent and see we can get some information. Latest edition, we got agent version, boot version, and yeah, monitoring issues. Field, it says host agent tried and failed automatically instrument this Python process. Let's look at the sensor info. Yeah, active discovery is okay. Let's look at the downloadable log. We got the logs, but we don't need to actually download. Anyway, let's just go back. Yeah, I have created the robo website, and let's see if we can actually get something from this one. So open up. Maybe just go to artificial intelligence, select anything. Maybe just go to stand, just create an error. Let's then 100 at the chart, use an error. Okay, and put it like okay, 110 pieces. Go to chart, yeah, and then check out. And you can put something Canberra and calculate and confirm and see if we got any error recorded. Just refresh. It didn't really detect the error, but it detects the services information, the shipping, the chart. Quite nice, yeah. And you can look at the, yeah, we got one error here. Quantity, not a number. Yeah, it detected the error. Yeah, and I can look at the stack. Okay, so for example, just go to engine X server or maybe MS SQL. Very nice one, interactive. Yeah. So beside using Instana, you can also use this uh, Datadog, which is another product. So easy one-step install that will install the agent. Then once agent has been installed, you can check with the command. Yeah. So let's look at the log. Maybe we can look at the latest logs. And then if you want to install, if you do not have the agent yet, so what you need to do is you can go to the integration agent and see how to install the agent. In Ubuntu. Yeah, so I just copy this. Yeah, for more detailed information, just click here, step by step. Yeah, so you can set up using this apt get update and sudo. Let's try this. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be update. We need to make sure that we updated the system and install apt transport http. Just wait for a while. Once done, let's try to install the http as transport. Clear sudo. Oh, sorry. Yep, it's already installed. Next is to set up Debian Datadog repo. Just copy this and sudo. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then apt get again, and then run the Datadog agent. Okay, install the Datadog agent. It's already newest version. I've already installed it. And let me see, configure your Datadog region. We don't need to do that. And let's just Datadog agent service. Okay, so let's run this one. Sudo service Datadog agent start. Yeah, or maybe restart just to make sure. Status. Okay, done. And let's look at the status. Okay, now let's go back to this one and let's look at the logs. Let's see if we can catch the log. No entries. Like trail maybe. I'm not sure why is it not actually looking at the live tail, but earlier I was able to find something. Yeah, so provided that the agent is running correctly, you should be able to look at the logs within a couple of hours or even the live log. Let me see. Let's look at the agent, see what's actually the problem with this. So let's just click the agent to see the agent, the status of the agent. We don't have it. Integration. So it says that we have Docker installed and Redis integration. Sync is also installed. Sneak, yeah, not sync. Let's try to configure something. It is installed correctly, but not no data received. What else? Let's see, host maps. No available zone. We got Ubuntu. Datadog agent is installed. We can see from here. Agent. Let's look at the agent. Started and running. Let's look at agent dashboard. Looks like it's correctly running. There's an NTP, there's Docker system. What's wrong with my agent? So let's look at the agent. Because I used to see live data gathered from the logs. Let's see the live tail again. Hmm. I can see that the log is there. See, and if you want to look at the location of the log, we can actually check the, let's see, sudo docker images. So for example, the, yeah, we can check the locations under, let's go to cd for log, oh sorry, bin for log docker. So somewhere in docker log, let me see, JSON should be under the, let me see, cd for docker, and so we can go to the containers, see the sudo cd containers. Hmm, I think I need to switch to su-i. Oh, I forgot. Let me see. Is it? Terminal. Okay, so sudo cd slash or lib docker container. Hmm, why is it not accessible? So, or maybe you can just go to, just type this ls slash for lib docker and then containers. Oh, permission denied. It looks like I need to be uh, I need to be a root in order to actually access this. Let me see. I think su dash I, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Just give me a minute. Okay, let's get back. Yeah, sorry, I forgot this sudo dash I. Yeah, and then cd for lib docker containers. Yeah, it looks like the containers, I mean the log and the files can only be accessed by root. So let's look at this. Oh, we got so many containers. Let's look at the log. Yeah, 2154. It was updated. Yeah, so we can just copy this. So let's just cd 0d. Yeah, and ls. Yeah, so this is actually the log. stored in JSON format. So you can just um, cat, something. Yeah, it looks like it's the log from some user agent. Let's try this one, cdc2 cat c2. Yeah, so this one is Instana shipping. Yeah, so I supposed to see this log by utilizing this, but I'm not sure why is it not actually reporting. I need to do some troubleshootings here. Let's get the host map, uh, containers. Processes. Let me see. Let's explore this because earlier I was able to see the log uh, by selecting live trail. What if I just check in the past 2 weeks? See, I can easily see this. I can easily see the logs from the previous uh, transaction or something. So you can select all of this. So anyway, this is supposed to be the log collected by the agent, but I'm not really sure why the agent was not able to actually, or is not able to actually get the live tail. I need to verify this. Yeah, but if you want to see the captured logs, you can just go to, let's say, in the past 2 days or even 1 week. Yeah, yeah, maybe in the past 2 days you can see the logs. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to look at the log by services, all you have to do is go to var lib docker containers and then the container ID and just cat and the name of the log file. Okay, so that's how to actually look at the log, yeah, manually. So let's say I want to check log for the 3.1 something, so it's cd 3.1.3, yeah. mls, and you can cat 3.1.3 and shows me another log. Okay, so of course with the help of watchdog here, or even the Instana, you can easily monitor the log and monitor and explore the logs. Yeah. And then what else? You can go to the perhaps host maps here, infrastructure, to see whether the agent is running. But I'm not very sure why. Yeah, that's a very much a question mark for me. Why the agent is not actually reporting? Is it this one? Container host agent percent. See, there's no agent here. I mean, there's no log IO wait. Let's see. System load. Let's go back and see. Yeah, but I can see a different log here. Yeah, it says Docker services up. How about agent? Hmm. Yeah, this is the problem. It looks like the agent is not running correctly. Okay, so I was able to solve the problem of not seeing the live tail by going to this configuration. Sorry, getting started, and then select container. Yeah, and you go to Docker, and you just copy this and put it into your Ubuntu. Don't forget the sudo space this one, and press enter. This will run Docker, and you should be seeing this Datadog agent running. Now you can go to the infrastructure host map and click on the agent, and you should actually see its status check. Oh, sorry, the metrics and also the logs. And you can go to logs and then select live tail. You should be able to see this. Yeah. Okay, so this is the correct configuration. So in this tutorial, I've shown you two different tools that you can actually use to monitor your microservices application. Yeah, the first one is the Instana, yeah, with the agent, and the this is Instana, yeah, where you can actually look at the or do the analysis, look at the infrastructure, monitor services, as well as by utilizing this Datadog. Okay, especially the logs. You can always do the analysis. Yeah, you can do the analysis. You can look at the live tail. Yeah, based on the services. You can look at the patterns and so on and so forth. A lot of things you can actually do. Yeah. Okay. So for example, you can just show the patterns related to chart, patterns related to ratings, or all. See? And what I like is this, the host map. It shows me that I have a what do you call this, the agent, Docker, NTP, and the system, and of course the live tail. Yeah, I forgot to mention something about the host map. Um, Here you can look at the agent, process container, system. Yeah, on the system, looks like we can actually see what particular processes memory usage. Yeah, very nice one. All right, I think that's all for today's tutorial. Nothing much. I have to do several troubleshooting just to make sure everything runs correctly. Yeah. So now I can use two different tools. This the Instana and Datadog to monitor my uh, microservices application. Okay. So I think that's all for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy the tutorial, and hopefully you can learn a lot from this one. And that's all. See you next time.